Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing great, and I, Sharwan Kumar, welcomes you to my YouTube channel Web Made Easy. And today we are going to start a new playlist which is problem solving using JavaScript. And for the very first video of our playlist, we are going to use a simple topic of mathematics which is arithmetic progression. So without wasting our time, let's move to the desktop screen and let's see what we are going to do today. So before starting, let's understand what AP is. So arithmetic progression or AP, it is the sequence of numbers in which the difference between two consecutive numbers remains constant. So correct the spelling of numbers here. For example of to get an example of AP, consider 1, 5, 9, 13, 17. In this sequence of numbers, you can see that the difference between two consecutive numbers is 4. That is 5 minus 1 is 4, 9 minus 5 is 4, 13 minus 9 is 4, and so on. So, for our today's video, we are going to create a function which will take 3 inputs from user, which is the first term, the common difference, and the number of terms. Okay, so and also in addition we are going to also return the mean value of the generated AP. So for the today's work, I have already connected my VS Code file to live server and it is opened here. So let's start with the exclamation mark and it will the. So let's give a title of generate AP, and I'm going to write the JavaScript inside of my HTML file. I'm not going to create another separate JavaScript file. So inside a script tag, let's declare a function. Let it be function generate AP. It will take 3 inputs as said earlier. First term, let's write in short first term, the common difference which is diff, and the number of terms. So let it be n of terms. We are also going to declare an empty array so that our generated sequences or the generated terms will be get pushed in the array. So let an new AP be an empty array, and also we need to declare another variable to store the value of our first term. So let it be next term, which will be our first term. So we are going to use while loop to perform the entire process. So we need to also declare another variable, let I is equal to 0, so that we can increment to the next number of array. So while I is less than the number of terms, we should do new AP dot push the next term, and then the next term to. So what is we are and also I plus plus. What we are going to do here, we are pushing the next term to our array, and then we are adding the common difference to the next term, and then incrementing the indent, and then pushing it again to the array. So let's see what happens here. So I'm calling the function, but before that we need to console.log it. Console.log the first term, let it be 2, common difference be 2, and 10 the number of terms. So let's generate AP and sorry, console.log, it should be new AP. So that's for the mistake. So here it is. Let's see what happens. So here we got an array which is starts with 2, the common difference is 2 and goes to 20. Here we have 10 terms starting from 0 to 9. Okay, so next we need to do the calculate the mean value of it. So instead of console.log, we need to return the new AP. Okay, so let declare another function get mean. It will require the AP, which is generated AP, and what it will do, it will crawl over the AP dot reduce accumulator next value and then return ACC. Okay, let's see what happens here. Get mean and generate AP. The mean value is 6. So let's generate our AP. And go to 2 and console log it. Let's see. We have an array of 2 elements which is 2 and 4. As we know, mean value is the sum of all terms upon number of terms, and the sum of all terms is 6 and the number of terms is 2. So we may have here 3, but we are getting 6, so we have done a one mistake. Okay, we need to divide it by generated AP dot length. Now it is working fine, and we can do one more thing here. We can return a complete message here. The mean of the generated AP, that is generated is so this is your AP and this is our mean. So thanks for watching, and if you have liked the video, just like the video and comment what you like the most, and also if you are new, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.